Let's use this video as an example. To start, select the video on your timeline by clicking on it. You'll see a white border appear, indicating that the video is selected. Next, navigate to the top right menu and choose Audio. Then, click on Noise Reduction. By checking this box, the program will automatically analyze your audio and attempt to reduce any background noise present in the video. Additionally, you can adjust the volume levels by increasing or decreasing them to further refine the audio quality. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.